routine that's on Cheap Thrills by Sia featuring Sean Paul.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
Now, if you haven't seen the video yet, click here to check it out.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long.
Well, I've been receiving a lot of videos from you guys, and yes, I do watch every one of them, so keep them coming in. I'm sure after today's tutorial, you're going to make more videos of this song on the amazing choreography by me. So let's start. Now, it starts with 5, 6, 7, 8, and. So you catch the beat and on and, you jump and take a plie, and your hands go up. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and. 1, 2. You bring your hands down and your waist twists. So from here, 1, 2, and. On and you rotate your hands. 3 is in. So your hands are coming in. Now let's do it with the lyrics. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and come on, turn the radio on. The next step is, it's Friday night. So your hands are just waving. With your hands, you step right leg twice, like that, and give it a bouncy effect. So it's Friday night. 1, 2. After Friday night, we extend our chest towards left, and then push our waist out and rotate our hip to go out. So from left side, you extend, twist to go out. With this, our hands go to our thighs. So from here, 1, 2, 3. So it's Friday night and I won't be long. Now, gotta do my hair, you gotta do anything with your hair. And after that, we do put my makeup on. After this step, we go, it's Friday night. So, you push your left waist out, right hand to go. So, it's Friday night and you bring your left hand in and you throw it out and the other hand. And you throw it out and the other side. So let's do it from top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put the makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Next she says, till I hit the dance floor. In that, you pick your right leg up, place it back, and with that you roll your head and you go in a plie and you push your hip up. So, tuck, tuck till I hit the dance floor. So she says down, down till I hit the dance floor. After this, you take a way forward and go down with your both legs going out, both knees going out, and throwing your hands up. Now, all I need is 4 steps going back or forward in a plie, on the floor, through the floor. The next step is, so I ain't got cash. I ain't got cash. I ain't got cash. So let's do it from 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 till I hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. I ain't got cash. I ain't got cash. I got you, baby is a freestyle. Now, the next, baby. She says, baby. On baby, you roll your right shoulder and left shoulder. So, baby. Now, you throw your hands out. 1. And right leg going back in a rondation. So, baby, 1, 2, you bring your hands in, 2, 3, 4. Once again, baby, 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 8. So this is a step for transition. If you're doing this choreography in a group, you can probably exchange your positions and play with the formation, and you can actually do a transition. The next step is from here, you bring your right leg forward and jump. And with this jump, you do hit, 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 hit 6 times. And then 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Along with this 1, 2, 3, you stomp your right foot. So 1, 2, 3. So you stomp it twice on 1 and 3. Along with this 1, 2, 3, you also need to use your chest. So 1, 2, 3. 4. You push your hands forward and then you do a slow-mo and play with the sand and do whatever you want to do. 5. Let's do it from 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor. 1, 6, 7, 8. I ain't got cash. I ain't got cash. I got you, baby. Baby, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Now when you do I don't need no money, so at the last beat you do chop chop. You probably, like, we were using sand in the video, so we were cleaning our hands. So I don't need no money, chop chop, as long as I can feel the. So you do right, left, up, right, left, up, and you push both your hands with the hip and then 2 hip rolls. Now you go top and so 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now you place your right leg forward along with both hands going side. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The next step is you place your right leg out and it goes back 4 times. Along with this leg, your hand rotates, right hand rotates. So together they go like 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do it from 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this step, we're doing a Bada wave. You start with your right hand, then left hand, and then both hands going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next para starts. You place your right foot forward and you bend. So along with that, your right hand goes 1. Now you jump like that. So right, left. You jump from your right leg. So you place your right to go right, left. Along with that, your hand goes 1 and 2. So you rotate your hand from above. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. So come on, turn the radio on. Now it's Saturday night and I won't be long as a freestyle. Next you do, gotta paint my nails. Put my high heels on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4 and up. Let's do it on counts. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now from here, when you go down 1, 2, 3, 4, you come back up to go in, out and in, out and. So your accent is in, out and bounce, 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 bounce. Let's do this from top. So we start from 5, 6, 7, 8, and come on, turn the radio on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, baby, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but away. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, paint my nails, high heels on. 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was Cheap Thrills by Sia featuring Sean Paul, and I hope you all loved the routine. Also guys, you all can suggest me songs you want me to dance on in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and for more videos, subscribe to my channel. Love you all and keep